Hello, my name is Mark Corbin. I'm a realtor. I've actually been in the business since the mid-90s, doing all forms of real estate. I've attended many of Todd's classes over the years because I like to pick up new tips here and there. It seems like every time I go, I learn something new that I can add to my existing real estate business. A few months ago, I decided I was going to go ahead and join Todd's class and have him mentor me in different aspects of real estate. And so after the first couple weeks of doing this, probably actually the second week, the one thing I liked about it is Todd teaches you how to look at deals differently, or potential deals. So I was telling him about this one deal that I had, which didn't really make sense to me, but I gave him the address, told him a little bit about the situation. He did a little bit of research online, and literally probably 15 minutes later he said, we need to go see this property. So I made arrangements with the client. We went and took a look at it. We walked through it. Took us about 10 or 15 minutes. We fought off many fleas and other pests, but turns out it was worth it. So we left there. He gave me the paperwork. We put it all together to meet with the client. He went over there with me. We talked to her, got everything situated. As a matter of fact, a few weeks after that, I had gone out of town and was actually on vacation. Todd continued the deal moving forward. When I got back, it was all done. It took a couple months because there were some title issues that we had to work through, but it turned out to be an excellent deal. When I got back from vacation, everything was in place. A few weeks later, I got my first check. It was over $16,000 from that first deal that we did. A deal that probably, if it wasn't for Todd, I would have overlooked. So certainly I would recommend Todd's class to anyone, whether you're a new investor or a seasoned investor, because he definitely knows his information, and he also can give you a different perspective on things that you probably are looking at every day and didn't realize that it was a deal. So I would recommend Todd's class to anyone.